Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for the vehicles listed at the bottom of your screen.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your vehicle's body. This part features perforations to accommodate the shifter bracket and other bolts on the frame rail. If you are not replacing these parts at this time, remove the corresponding perforations. If you are replacing them, remove the factory parts now. Step 3. Cut and remove the rivet holding the brake line bracket. Use a hammer and punch to remove the stud from the hole. Step 4. Remove any frame rot or rust in the work area and spray the work area with a weld-through primer. Slide the frame section onto the frame using the frame holes for alignment. Using C-clamps, secure the frame section to the frame rail. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame rail prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Using the included hardware, bolt the brake line bracket back onto the frame. Step 6. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Step 7. Lower and reinstall your vehicle's body. Now, get back out on the road.